Anti-tank gun PaK 50L 37.5 cm German anti-tank gun from World War II. After the 7.5 cm PaK 40 anti-tank gun was introduced, it turned out to be too heavy. Therefore, construction work was started on the construction of a new cannon. For its construction, the barrel of the PaK 40 cannon was used, which was shortened to 1205 mm, and it was also equipped with a new muzzle brake. The barrel developed in this way was mounted on PaK 38 gun carrier. The gun developed in this way received the designation PaK 50. This gun used the projectile used in the PaK 40 gun, but the dimensions of the case were reduced and the amount of propellant material was reduced. These changes resulted only a slight decrease in weight and also reduced the armor penetration capacity. Despite these shortcomings, in May 1944, serial production of this gun began, which lasted until August 1944, after which it was stopped. During this time, 358 cannons of this type were produced. The PaK 50 cannon was put into service with the German infantry and panzergrenadier divisions and was used in combat from September 1944.